Learning English feels difficult, does it not?
Many words confuse people easily.
Do you get lost sometimes?
Type yes if you do. Excuse me, where is the museum?
It is that way. Go now.
This way? Is it far?
I do not know. Go there.
Oh, I do not understand.
You are making me late.
I need clear directions, please.
Follow the street. Turn right.
Right or left? I am lost.
Right. Now please leave me.
I will try to find it.
Good luck, young lady.
He was not very helpful.
Tourists are always asking questions. That was not very helpful.
Let us try again, shall we? Excuse me, where is the station?
It is on Baker Street.
Baker Street? How do I go?
Go straight, then turn left.
Straight and then left?
Yes, left at the corner.
Is it very far away?
No, it is quite near.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Now go.
I appreciate your patience.
Just get to the station.
I will find it now.
Good. That is good.
I understand the directions.
Excellent. Have a good day. Remember, excuse me, where is?
And go straight, then turn left.
Secret tip, speak English often.
Do not wait for perfection.
Like, subscribe, and share this.
Real English. Real communication. English is hard to learn.
No, it is not.
You can speak it now.
Yes, you absolutely can.
Slow internet is frustrating.
Yes, very frustrating indeed.
Type yes if you agree.
Let us fix this problem.
Maria needs to work now. Her internet is very slow. She cannot send emails. She cannot open files.
This is a big problem.
Maria is very annoyed. She calls for help now.
She needs tech support. Listen to their conversation.
Let us practice together.
Listen and repeat clearly.
Hello, my internet is slow.
I understand. What is your name?
My name is Maria.
Thank you, Maria. Your address?
It is 123 Main Street.
Okay. I see the problem.
What is the problem then?
Your modem is offline.
Offline? What does that mean?
Please restart your modem.
How do I restart it?
Unplug it. Wait 10 seconds.
Okay, I unplugged it.
Now plug it back in.
It is still very slow.
I will send a signal.
When will it be fast?
Please wait 5 minutes.
This is really annoying.
I apologize for this issue. Is it working now?
Yes, it is working now.
Great. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. My internet is very slow.
Please restart your modem.
Speak English every single day.
Do not be afraid to speak.
Subscribe for more lessons now.
Real English, real communication. Learning English is very hard.
No, it is not always hard.
You can learn fast now.
Yes, with short sentences.
Today we learn new words.
About a very small apartment.
Type yes if you agree.
Learning English is fun now.
Leo is a real estate agent.
Clara wants a new home.
Leo shows Clara an apartment.
Clara expects a big space.
The apartment is very small.
Clara is surprised by size.
Leo says it is cozy.
Clara thinks, this is tiny.
Leo tries to sell the apartment.
Clara does not feel happy.
She needs more room to work.
Her computer is very big.
Leo points to a small desk.
Clara shakes her head slowly.
Let us practice this talk.
Listen carefully to the words.
Repeat after the speakers now.
This is very good practice.
Welcome. This is the apartment.
It is very, very small.
It is cozy, very efficient.
Where is the main kitchen?
Here is the kitchen area.
I do not see a stove.
Small stove is inside here.
This is a tiny bedroom.
Bedroom is for one person.
I need more working space.
Location is very, very good.
Rent is very, very high.
It is a great opportunity.
I do not think so.
Think about this offer now.
I will consider it, Leo.
It has good natural light.
Yes, light is very good.
And a small, nice balcony.
The balcony is very tiny.
Perfect for one small plant.
I have many big plants.
This building is very safe.
Safety is very important.
Close to train station.
That is a big plus.
Do you like the bathroom?
It is a compact design.
Everything you need is here.
Yes, everything is here.
The view is very nice.
Yes, city view is good.
This is a unique find.
I need to think more.
Do not wait too long.
Okay, I will call you.
Remember these key phrases.
It is very, very small.
Location is very, very good.
Practice them every day. Always try to speak aloud.
Even just a few words.
It builds real confidence.
Like, subscribe, and share now.
Visit our channel for more.
Real English, real communication.